Okay, welcome back. So listen to the question. Congo was named by Europeans. Okay, that's right. But Congo's dictator Mobutu let change the name of the country and the river also in there. What he want to do means he want to make all the names and places, space and all in the terms of African names. Okay, because he want to make that complete area to be like a African. So he named everything as an African term. But in that term, the name Zaire, he made the name. That was a Portuguese name because it is an alternation of the Zari to Nazir. That's the alternate name of the Zaire. Okay, that is a local American term that it shows the meaning of river swallows the river. That means what river? It will have some other rivers inside because you know that some of the small river is going to a big river, right? That is called what river swallowing river. Okay. From the following statement, which of the statement is right? They are asking. Look at the first statement. Mobutu was not entirely successful in Africanizing the name of his country. That is right because some of the places, some of the rivers he made it as African's name. But in terms of Zaire, he fails because Zaire is a Portuguese thing. So he couldn't able to success, right? The term next option, the term Nazari O refers as a Portuguese sergeant because here also what's the problem means what it is not about origin of Portuguese because he is talking about he wants to make as a Africanism. Okay, so that means what this option is not a exact option as well. Then Mobutu desire to Africanizing the name was prevented by Portuguese. Listen here, nobody objects him because listen me, nobody objects him. Why means at the first beginning itself it shows that dictator. What's the meaning of dictator means? Dictator is a meaning of making a control over a country, with the help of okay, with the help of a force, with the help of force or a military or anything. Okay, with the help of force. And a very good example everyone knows it is the what Adolf Hitler. Everybody knows Adolf Hitler because he got everything with the help of his own army. Okay, so this is a very big example of a dictator. Okay, so automatically he's making African prevent Portuguese not possible because he's the only one person can rule everything. And fourth option, as a dictator, Mobutu ordered the Portuguese. No, he is not going to Portuguese because Mobutu is not talking or taking over the Portuguese. So that is completely irrelevant. Okay, because he is doing everything in his own. But only the small name Zaire is the only name is became the Portuguese. That's only so automatically these three things. He didn't order any German, and he is got prevented by any Portuguese. No one opposed to him, and the term was in Portuguese origin. That is not completely. So what is the main thing means he couldn't entirely successfully making everything as African. Some of the things are still in the Portuguese. That is the only thing option. Okay. If anything, if any doubts means please make a comment. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you all.